Fitter and Welder Refresher. Master advanced techniques and stay compliant in the most demanding environments. Course Overview. Comprehensive Program. This refresher course updates experienced fitters and welders on advanced techniques, safety, and industry standards through a blend of theory and hands-on practice. It is designed to sharpen existing expertise and ensure compliance with the latest field requirements. Target audience. This course is designed for professionals to update their technical skills, safety knowledge, and alignment with current industry standards. It offers an ideal opportunity to enhance expertise and stay competitive with the latest field advancements. Accreditations. Conducted for the industrial, marine and offshore requirements as per OSHA and ASTM guidelines. Foundations. Intro to offshore fitting and welding. Roles, responsibilities, and working environment. HSE protocols. Permit to work, hazard identification, emergency procedures. Tools and equipment. Inspection, calibration, and correct tool selection. Metal cutting and preparation. Plasma, oxy-fuel, grinding, fit-up quality starts here. Welding techniques and procedures. SMAW, TIG, MIG, process selection and WPS compliance. Precision and standards. Pipe fitting and alignment. Tolerances, misalignment limits, tack welding sequence. Blueprint reading and technical drawings. Isometrics, PNIDS, weld symbols, revision control. Structural fabrication and installation. Dimensional checks, plumb and level, load paths. Welding defects and troubleshooting. Porosity, undercut, lack of fusion, root causes and remedies. Offshore welding codes and standards. AWSD 1.1, ASME 9, DNV, know what governs your work. Operations, technology and teamwork. Maintenance and repair. Perform on-site weld repairs using approved heat treatment and documentation procedures. Rigging and heavy lifts. Calculate load limits, check sling angles, and use standard signaling for safe lifts. Environmental controls. Follow spill prevention protocols, segregate waste, and protect the marine environment. Welding technology. Operate orbital, automated, and specialized. Welding equipment for increased efficiency. PPE standards. Maintain correct respirator fit, flame resistant. Clothing, and safety gear at all times. Teamwork and communication. Use toolbox talks and stop work authority to maintain safe and effective operations. Course curriculum. Introduction to offshore fitting and welding. Health, safety, and environment, HSE, protocols. Tools and equipment familiarization. Metal cutting and preparation techniques. Welding techniques and procedures. Pipe fitting and alignment. Blueprint reading and technical drawings. Structural fabrication and installation. Welding defects and troubleshooting. Offshore welding codes and standards. Maintenance and repair techniques. Marine, offshore, rigging and lifting operations. Environmental awareness in offshore welding and fitting. Advanced welding technologies. Personal protective gears during welding and fitting activities. Soft skills and teamwork in fitting and welding projects.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.